Welcome back to Amazing Car, the channel where we dive deep into the world of automobiles. Today we're exploring the all-new 2025 Hyundai Grandeur, Hyundai's flagship sedan that perfectly blends cutting-edge technology, luxurious comfort, and refined performance. First, let's talk about the interior. Stepping inside, you're immediately greeted with an upscale cabin designed with both luxury and practicality in mind. The dashboard features a sleek, minimalist design, with a high-resolution digital display that merges seamlessly with the floating center console. The materials used are top-tier, with premium leather upholstery and soft-touch surfaces throughout, making it feel like a truly first-class experience. Comfort is also a key focus, with ventilated and heated seats, offering ultimate relaxation for both the driver and passengers. Moving on to the performance, the 2025 Grandeur offers a smooth, responsive drive, powered by a range of engine options that include a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a hybrid powertrain. Each model provides impressive acceleration and a balanced, quiet ride, perfect for city driving or long highway cruises. Under the hood, it's engineered to provide efficiency without compromising power. Now, a bit of history. The Hyundai Grandeur has been a part of the brand's lineup since 1986, originally designed for the Korean market. Over the years, it has evolved into a global luxury sedan, with each generation improving on the last. Finally, the features. The Grandeur comes with the latest in tech, including a large infotainment screen, advanced driver assist systems, and an incredible sound system. This 2025 model is a testament to Hyundai's dedication to craftsmanship and innovation. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Hyundai Grandeur. Be sure to like and subscribe for more car reviews. See you next time.